Have you ever heard of Mitolyn or something called mitochondria? Mitochondria are fundamental components of our body and play a crucial role in our health. Today, I'll show you how Mitolyn, developed based on mitochondrial science, can transform the way you manage your weight. Stay with me until the end of this video because I've already placed the link to the official website below in the description. This way, when you finish watching, you can check out more information or purchase the product safely. Many people try everything to lose weight, but nothing seems to work. This happens because the real cause of weight gain isn't being addressed. Scientific research has revealed that low mitochondrial production is one of the main reasons for the difficulty in losing weight. These small structures are essential to our bodies as they convert fat into energy, preventing it from accumulating. Without enough mitochondria, your body simply stores fat instead of burning it. That's where Mitolyn comes in, a revolutionary supplement that naturally stimulates the production of these mitochondria. With a 100% natural formula composed of selected organic ingredients, Mitolyn helps your body burn fat efficiently and sustainably. Our body tends to store fat for protection, but with the right support, you can reverse this process. Mitolyn promotes healthy and fast weight loss without side effects or contraindications. Just use it daily to achieve the desired results. The minimum recommended treatment is 3 months, but for lasting results, the ideal is the full 6-month treatment. And there's more, the manufacturer offers a full money-back guarantee. You can try the product without worries. If you're not satisfied or don't see the expected results, they refund 100% of your money. In other words, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Before we finish, an important note: Mitolyn is sold exclusively on the official website. It's not available in pharmacies or other websites. To ensure you purchase the original product, I've included the link in the description of this video. On the official site, you'll find all the detailed information, real testimonials, the complete ingredient list, and you can make your purchase safely. Now that you've watched this video, I recommend visiting the official website and checking it out. I'm sure that by the end, you'll be ready to start your transformation journey with Mitolyn. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.